So you can't.
No. Come on, Trey. $20 I didn't have yesterday.
Can't sell this car. I prefer none of your damn.
Yeah, okay. Well, Trey is a no, and that's it. Very conclusive. That's science, Trey.